this place is pretty wicked. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeff. The truck behind me is Gemini. Yeah, we're heading out to British Columbia, Canada. Someplace different. I've never been there before, so I don't know what to expect. I'm hoping it's good. I honestly do have a couple plan Bs if I really need to, but I'm really hoping I'm not. People tell me this is really nice, so I will see you when we get there. Well, can't forget supplies. Now I need to go find something to eat, and then we're off and running. We're right. Made it to the campsite. Truck's all set up. This place is pretty awesome. I've been just hanging out. I've been here for a little bit, but I just been relaxing, enjoying it a little bit. So it's time for beer 30. Got a new one. Blackberry Imperial Sour by Dead Frog. Starting to see a little bit of a trend here, but I really like these beers and I can't get them in Alberta. So whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna pick up a new one. Holy moly, that's really good. Well, I'm kind of bummed. I should have brought some firewood with me, but I did not. So here I am. But that's okay. I didn't bring anything much for supper. I just kind of brought a sub. I'll eat later, but it's just flipping hot. Flipping hot. Hot. All right. Definitely nice place. I'll have some pictures for you, some B-roll. Me standing in front of the lake just doesn't do it justice. So I'm gonna get some B-roll together and I'll run it right away here. So I should say the montage. Whatever it is, but yeah, I'm just gonna hang out for a little while. It's hot. It's very hot. I kind of wish I would have brought my my swimming trunks, because I would have went for a swim, because the water, you can see the bottom. It is clear. Some lily pads. I haven't seen lily pads in a long time. It's great. So yeah, I wonder what kind of a sunset we're gonna have tonight. I might have to film some of it if I can. Take a couple pictures, but yeah, this is awesome. So I am going to just hang out for a bit, and I'm gonna run the montage right now of this place. It's pretty awesome. All right, I will see you later. Okay, so I flipped and lied. I couldn't help it. This place is pretty wicked. There's like a little dock here. This place is awesome. Super quiet. Lots of pretty birds. See? I can't wait. And I never showed you the view from my tent, but I will in the montage. So I'm going to roll that now. I just had to show you. I couldn't help it. But I'm not going to tell you the name.
If I told you that, I'm afraid I'd have to kill you.
Well, this place is awesome. All right? I will see you later. Ooh. Hey everyone, I've been just enjoying this place. This place is pretty awesome. It's getting busier. People are getting off work, swimming and stuff, so I just brought myself a sub. I forgot to take something out for supper, and I figure it would cost me as much money to buy something to make than it would be for somebody to make it for me. So there we it. So yeah. All right. I think I'm gonna eat this up, hang out, and might see in the tent, or I might see before that. It all depends if these people leave early enough. So, all right, I'll see you later. Hey everyone, I don't know if you can see me, but it's starting to get dark out now. So, yeah, it is time for bed. I'm going to try and watch a little bit of a movie and then call her a night, man. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Man, this is awesome. Waking up to this any day. Well, I'm awake. I'm gonna make a coffee, and then I think I'm gonna get out of here. All right. It's 5:45 in the morning. So, yeah. I'm gonna get out of here, and then I'm gonna make a coffee, and then I'm gonna get out of here, I should say, and then I'll see you inside the truck. Morning, everyone. Sorry it was so quiet there, but there's a lot of people in the campground, so it's have to be a little bit quiet. So, whoops. Yeah. So we're out of here. Let's rock and roll. All right, I think I'm gonna close it here. This place was great. I would definitely come back here again. If you like these videos, yeah, subscribe, like, comment. If you want to see more like this, they'll be right about here. All right, have a good one. Bye.